Okay, so here is the second method. This time we're going to connect at the top and we're going to spring that way. I'm screwed down into meat like a joist or a beam through the subfloor. I put 3 screws up top. I want a good connection. Now the principle here is for the top to go that way, we need to shorten this. Just find any piece of scrap. I aim for my shoulder because my shoulder is the 4th strongest part of my upper body. Anyway. So I'm going to just put this in here. Sometimes you might want to put your foot behind it so it doesn't slip out. See how that wants to slip? So it's all about the angle. It's also all about the base. So I got to come in like a heavy 1/8. So you can see how by putting the angle in the brace, now I'm going to keep tension on it with my knee. This is another reason why I like using screws. I'm not jarring things around. I don't want the brace to come back at me and undo what we just did. Okay,